everyone. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial for you using Airbrush makeup, and we're going to be using the Temptu silicone based makeup. So first I'm going in here with her foundation color, number 4, using circular motions and mainly focusing on the areas where I need more coverage on her skin. Next we're going in and concealing under eyes with the same SB4 formula, just so her eyes will pop a little bit more and get a little bit more coverage underneath the eye area that the airbrush itself cannot reach. Next, I'm going in with contour, and I'm using foundation color number 10 for her face, just to bring a little bit of depth and dimension back into her skin after we blanked it out with the foundation. Next, I'm going in with her blush color in Guava, again using circular motions and making sure that we're blending it in to the contour. Next, I'm going in with her eyebrows, and I used number 11 in black mixed together equal parts. And it's very important when we're doing brows that we just have a nice, soft, subtle touch to create that airbrush finish look and keep things looking very natural on the brow area especially. Next, I'm going in with black on her eyes just to create a soft contour, add a little bit more drama to the makeup. And it's the thing that's so amazing that this is a waterproof medium that we're using, so this will literally last on our clients until we take it off. Next, I'm going in with Champagne Shimmer from Temptu, doing a little pop on the lip and the eyes just to take it up a notch for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time. Bye. Hi everyone, my name is Gina. I'm the artist that created that last airbrush look that you just watched. If you would like to follow me, click here. To follow the school, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.